Hi to all my viewers. So here I am to explain how to have this is the best title I have ever watched since this days. So Notebook LM, which you search in Google, just opens like you can look at the visuals over the video. So when you click on that, try Notebook LM. So it will be representing like that. Please search please do create new, and you can upload sources like PDF or anything. It will just make your summarized notes. You can add YouTube links. I have tried YouTube link of
Hello, my
tenses, for
lovely people.
example. I
Now,
have
this
taken.
one is a
You
complete
can
class
make
of
many
10, a
any
past revision where we're
physics
going to
wala
discuss all the
YouTube
rules,
links. You can
uses.
copy and paste over there. You can get a great summary. So I have pasted like tenses YouTube link. You can see that I have been pasting there. So it's easy. You can paste. I think you all know about it, how to paste. And the best thing I really loved is like mind mapping. That also I'll be showing in this video. So please watch till end. So you got 12 English tenses, a comprehensive revision. You can note it, or like you will be having audio overview. You will be getting audio, blah blah blah, etc. If you try it in your own devices, you can easily to get it. So I have searched for mind map. I have clicked for mind map. So it will be like this. So I have just got it out like this, uh, what are tenses, how many tenses. So it opens like that, so you can easily refer, you can easily understand what is this, what is that, and you can easily answer, and that is important to our life. So simple future, perfect, etc, etc, everything will be added in tenses, so you can just refer it before you go to your exam, and it really helps. So this is the best aid.